Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to sign up for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from generating text to answering questions and more. To get started, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the OpenAI website by typing chat.openai.com in your web browser. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button on the web page. Step 3. Enter your email address and then click on Continue. Also create a password to move on to next step. Step 4. Once you've signed up, check your email for a message from OpenAI. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your email address. Step 5. After verifying your email, website will ask for your name and date of birth for verification of your age. Step 6. You will be asked for the mobile number which needs to require to get an OTP to sign in. Step 7. To use ChatGPT, click on the Send a Message button on the down side of the screen. You can start a conversation with the AI. With ChatGPT, you can generate text for a variety of purposes, such as writing essays, drafting emails, and much more. So if you're looking for a powerful language model that can help you with your writing and communication needs, sign up for ChatGPT today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Ideas for Life, for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.